Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope so you are well during this pandemic situation. You are watching this video, that's mean you want to go abroad for your higher study and you choose your destination to Norway. I am Siam. I am here to show you how to apply some university that are located in Norway. Before apply, we have to be prepared and we have to collect some paper like one is your bachelor degree transcript and certificate, to your HSC and SSC certificate transcript, and your IELTS exam paper, and another one is your motivational lecture and your passport copy. And some other university ask to submit recommendation letter, but not all the cases. And finally you have to write a motivational letter.
I am going to be apply to USN. After hitting up the university link, we have to be choose our preferable subject area. Now I am choosing IT computer science. After choosing our preferable subject area, we will find a lot of different kinds of program. We can filtering that program. I am choosing here computer science master's program. After choosing that program, we will see that type of page. Before applying, we will go to the admission requirement sections. Here we will go through all of the requirements very carefully. English requirements, there are two types of requirements are going to be accepted in that university. One is IELTS, that we have to be obtain minimum 6 band. Another one is TOEFL, that we have to be score 550 in paper based, 213 in computer based, and 80 in internet based. After go through all of the admission requirement list, we will go to apply online section. Before going that, here is some information that we will go through. It's not a mandatory. Here in how to apply sections, we will see the apply online link. We will click that link and that web page were just shown up. After that we will hit register new applicant. Here that is said that if we were completed our bachelor degree in Norway or not. We will say not, as we were in Bangladeshi. And in that section they are saying that are you applying through agent or not, and here you have to choose your English proficiency test, that is TOEFL or IELTS. And here they are saying that are you able to be payment if you are be selected to USN. And here you obviously choose yes, I am prefer to deposit the required amount if I am admitted to USN, that option. After choosing that, here they are saying that you are the only responsible of the to the question in this application. Yes. Here they are saying that I further clarify that all documents that you will submit in this application are authentic. You said yes, and you understand that any omission and misinformations may avoid your admissions. You said yes, and you understand that if you are selected in USN, then you have to be submitted all of your original documents. After selecting that, you will be redirected your registration page. In here you just fulfill all the fields that are going to be asked. After filling all the fields, you just recheck whatever you read, whatever you write in this field. Then you will hit the register view button. After hitting that, you will see your password was sent to your email. You just copy your password and paste the password box button for login. After login, you have to fill up some text box fields. After filling your address and your phone number, you just click the next button, and then you have to be select your subject again. In here there are two types of subjects, like master program or joint master program. If you choose joint master program, then you have to be submitted two recommendation letter and your work experience. But if you choose master program, then you don't need to be submitted your work experience and two recommendation letter. In here you just select your desired subjects. And here is your my document section page. In here you have to just submit your original documents as a PDF form, not to upload in zip or any compressed file. The file you are going to be uploaded, that must be clear and that must be appear in right side up. The right side up is the international format. Here is the some example of right side up. After go through all the rules and regulations, we just click upload new document button, and here we just select the options and are going to be uploaded the desired file. Here are the required files that are going to be uploaded. After hitting up the next button, you will be see your email or confirmation email that are sent by your university. Thank you.